So actually, keep this thing stadium.
This thing only keep it.
Arena, okay.
Normal classic will play one match, or
Irangala.
we'll play this. Anything is fine.
This is short then.
Okay.
We'll keep arena re stadium.
अरे TDM अरे मैं phone ही lag रहे.
Okay then.
Can't play. In iOS when it comes I'll play.
Oh. Why my sensitivity problem re pa.
Okay, javelin throw it.
Marked a location. Real life. Please.
To get back completely.
Please. Play in moderation.
We need some time.
Hmm?
We need some time to get back completely. Like we used to play before.
Practice.
Practice.
Remember last year
I'm
also.
playing TDM, like I'm playing TDM good, but TDM good for me. Like I'm used to play like at least some I can play TDM. This thing I need little practice more because sensitivity, while I was moving.
This thing only main ranking and all.
Aha. What a people. One squad.
A lot of people be ready.
Okay, one squad only, no problem.
One squad also they'll come and split and come. So many people.
Enemies are there.
No problem.
What? No problem. Where are we? We're away from the
I will not get loot. That's the problem.
I'm really sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, got the gun.
This guy.
Gone. I'll die. Near me one enemy. I'm unable.
Coming now. Are you safe?
He did not have ammo. Come fast. This is ammo from me. Wait, part back of him.
Not enemy.
Careful, one more guy, Jubin.
One more guy. Okay, I'll use sticky bomb, right?
One more guy, back of you, Jubin.
What's this?
Back of you, not here, Reba. The other room where he went straight.
Wait, now I'm getting footsteps everywhere.
For me too.
That is your teammate footsteps, not yours. Like you run now.
Right side. I saw a bomb one guy. He went to this side.
Marked a location.
I mean,
Jubin, okay, that is my loot only.
One day without dress.
MP5 had
or he had here.
Maybe he had. I don't have MP5 here.
Loot ping gun.
Take UC. Okay. He had UC. That's best. Don't go up to bin.
I'm lagging.
Yeah, you're standing on the window. Go down. Take. Okay. Go down now. Okay, now down.
Where is enemy?
No. He killed a number to kill. No problem.
DB should take a
shotgun, no other option.
Wait, and
he's camping there.
Where?
this guy. Are take he's having cover na. Ridge cover. Ridge mein he's there. Ridge mein he's there. Ridge mein he's there. See ridge mein. Don't. Are give him revive faster. Give him revive. Wait.
I am coming. Wait.
Are don't go open. He's coming. Back. He's coming back. Jubin, he's coming back. Are don't go near. Jubin, back.
I knocked that guy. Super. Where one more guy this side.
Wait, 1 minute, please.
He's coming.
No, someone killed her.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Who is killing whom, Ray?
Arey,
Kill. Da, come. Anyone come.
Said
coming.
Run there. Don't come. 255 degrees on building is there. Wait, I'll mark.
okay,
Jubin, go
understand.
that shit fast.
Arey,
Go that
I'm
shit
dying.
fast.
Oh,
Arey.
shit, Arey. In that wing, where are you, Ray? Who is looting me near me?
I am.
See that at the opposite building, window mein is there. One guy.
Okay, understand.
Understood, no? Well, he's shooting
Correct.
from.
Take DBS, it will be very short range. Man.
Arey, DBS far range don't do na.
Far range waste. I'm telling near range. Man.
There.
Yeah.
He's not there, no.
Nice
No
one.
one stand like that too. 1 minute.
Super, Jubin, super.
Done that. I heal him.
He's knocked up. Arey. I knocked him, but one more is there.
He's giving revive, I guess.
I don't have grenade.
Heal and go first.
Bro, don't go in open, bro.
He's that building, na? Bro, don't be there.
Don't be in open. Arey, he's being in open, Ray. Careful. Arey, he's healing or not healing, I don't know exactly.
I think he moved his place where he went away
His teammate healed him.
Healed and then they shifted their place, I think, location.
Jubin, go from back, Ray. Go from back, I guess. It will be good.
He should be in that building.
Zone also started. Be careful.
Anyway, they only have to come,
towards
no?
zone. They go towards zone, you like. Arey, don't be in the top, Ray. You'll get shot.
Wait, from back, no one will come. 1 second.
Arey, left side. Zoom in left side, not left. There.
Arey, see, you saw, no? How many bullets I gave, still not dying.
That's what is that, Ray? So many bullets to destroy.
Wait, the people should come. Wait for them.
Arey, one more guy. Super, Ray. Go and heal him. Abba. Super, Ray. Arey, smoke put डालो ना.
One more is there.
One more. John
Heal, Ray.
coming. Hey, he's bot. Leave. He's bot. Heal.
We are in
He's
zone.
bot. He's bot. Okay, no problem. Leave them. He went to zone, Ray. No problem.
What?
Leave. He went to zone directly.
What was that, Babu?
Use Medi first. Complete Medi.
I'll take it.
Hey, we are going to
Hey,
zone.
what are you doing, Ray? Jumping in डाले.
भाई एक और है विलन ध्यान से बॉट है
Bot only. No, he died, I guess, right? Because he went to zone, inside the zone.
हाँ that only रे। आ जाओ भाई जोन में जाएंगे। बाबा
अरे zone भाई।
Okay, 56 seconds only. Go inside the question.
अरे take cover रे, they'll give shots from somewhere. You know, if you run.
And the number 2 is far now.
he'll come he's behind, don't worry। अरे if
अरे
you
take
guys see
some.
anyone tell me रे।
हाँ take ridge cover हो क्या? पर उन open रे।
what to do रे zone में।
No, now zone is not coming now. Take some ridge cover, something. You take cover. Here only you died last time. Careful.
No one is there।
Abba, you'll think nobody, then only one guy will come and talk to
from back that too।
why is this map like that? I don't know.
anybody can hit।
Any side.
What रे? Shipping is looted.
Looted careful by the answer ना भाई the looted area
Arey
means
drop
people are
drop also is falling. See somewhere.
Yeah,
Here only. Arey nearby you. Abba.
Near you. Jubin, careful. Don't pull. Don't go straight. Take ridge
I
cover.
think I saw।
Arey take that laser. Remove that laser. No.
One thing.
I don't
there
have
is
other grip।
anything in drop, means like sniper. Sniper, you see. If it is sniper, it would be best. Bro.
I'm getting shots भाई इधर आओ
Shots
आवाज आ रहा गोली अरे from northeast 50 somewhere।
You're getting shot, I don't know.
Shots I'm hearing sound।
Bullet sounds.
Wait. Don't go near the drop because more people will be sniping towards the drop only, right?
Not that one. Right side of you.
Careful when you go to drop.
Arey not that drop. Zubin, you're lagging.
It is lagging to you, Jubin. Careful. Go fast. If you jump once. Super. One more guy there, I guess. One more guy.
Arey left side top. 345.
Arey, go down.
He's pro player। Nicely he just shot।
Headshot he
Look
gave.
at the damage रे। Nice headshot he gave बाबा। भाई ध्यान से भाई वो 15 में। If I can get drop now।
One more guy is on the drop, I guess. Look careful. Go careful. No, that guy took the drop. Who you killed? He took the drop. Arey, any sniper can you take? Arey, back. Backside. Heal.
Heal.
I can't prone।
Heal. Not prone.
Healing। Arey it's not healing। I'm pressing heal।
wait. You are healing. Wait. Bhai, cover दे दो bhai.
Smoke.
भाई थोड़ा smoke करो भाई।
Smoke.
Bhai, smoke. अरे heal. अरे बाबा prone. Bhai, पीछे
Jump. Zubin, jump.
I saw him। He's behind the अरे भाई 1 मिनट भाई तुम सेफ है?
अरे
How did he not die? अरे he also died।
Don't go there. If you go there, up to one will go. Backside people are there. Jibin, अरे take
अरे वन
other gun,
सेकंड
not use any, like not use it. Take other gun.
एवरीबॉडी अरे फर्स्ट दिस गाय हैव टू किल रे
Careful. He went back. अरे throw smoke. Go near the drop. Take some sniping. अरे someone is
भाई
on your
इधर
side.
कोई है भाई
Someone is also on straight.
हाँ.
See. अरे do not go that much far. अरे no, don't give. He's one guy sniping from right.
ऐसा
See.
ऐसा
Don't give head. That's what I'm telling. Go smoke near the drop. You'll get a sniper gun. नीचे. अरे down. He's there down.
अरे नीचे right. They're near the
I saw
smoke. Inside the smoke is there.
Wait.
somewhere in smoke na ye
Wait. He's throwing bombs. Wait. Let him come out. Jibin, you be in cover. He'll give headshot straight off your guy. Some down. नहीं भाई नहीं he's beside the wall रे he's beside the wall I guess अरे snipe अरे straight off you people
what is this game re yeah
अरे 3 people around you रे अब्बा.
no nothing left on energy drink that's all अच्छा
अरे do one thing go to straight रे
I'll go this one re
this side that's what go that side because it is middle na everyone are sniping
40 by 73 I have the next use only can help
they kill one guy अरे someone is
अरे
near back अरे careful
अरे one shot you'll die रे.
one shot will die अरे where are you going
अरे I don't have medikit
no
What रे अरे रे.
what is going on to this game
Yeah, अरे बाप. अरे you killed so many, did not loot anyone रे. That's the problem.
I did not loot भाई यूजी में है भाई थोड़ा एमो है तो थोड़ा देख सकता मैं
नहीं हेल्थ भी होना चाहिए ना.
wait रे they'll come now this side only
I have to wait everywhere people are there everywhere can't do anything
अरे keep your gun down रे. That laser light will go.
he's coming kill completely fast अरे he's reviving can you go अरे throw grenade you have super one more guy
अरे he's not dying
back super
Loot him. Take first heal रे. अब्बा
अरे
अब्बा.
one more guy is there like
अरे बनाओ wait let me heal I don't have any healing अरे I'm not healing
yeah you healed
Healed रे. You healed already.
okay अब ammo I need ammo without
Change the
ammo
gun.
take better than Uzi ray like take better the gun Uzi अरे one more guy is coming up
One more gun here you smoke.
down super
Topper OP.
वाह भाई थोड़ा जीतना पड़ेगा भाई नहीं तो
अरे
alive 3 रे. Alive 3 you can do easily. Wait.
I don't say easily
अरे
just
do
doubt
one thing do one thing take gun other than Uzi like Uzi because they'll be far now you can't like if you take Uzi
I'll take M7
M7 you take. Keep 2x. That's better for M7.
Arey, they will be in the houses now. See, the next round. Na?
Arey, where did you hear sound? Like where it
Are
is?
see wait. He's one guy escaped. Like had health less. He escaped from near you. He escaped away.
I know he's somewhere in that building, but where? Kidhar bhai, kidhar?
Right side, you see?
I'm not seeing anything. I'm not able to.
No, right side you see. Once turn right, once turn right.
They are down, Ray. I know they are down. Wait. Don't do anything. If you go, they can see your head.
Anyway, I think behind it nobody should be. Otherwise, next level camping.
That is super level camping. Remember?
Someone
See right.
Right?
Right side people head. Super, Juban, super. Right side. Wait. He's down. One guy, other guy is down. He's not even
Drink
coming.
water or something. Drink, we'll drink. Full health.
You can win. Wait. He's down. He's having good drink.
He's there, no? But somewhere.
Somewhere he's down. But you got direct kill right for this way.
Direct I got. That means 1v1.
1v1. Very careful, Ray. Don't go anywhere. Be like this. Okay.
If you see anybody, tell her, okay?
Wait. You wait here, like. Wait. Let him come up, Ray. He's not coming up. In this game, there will be snipers, like M24.
No.
SKS I saw one.
Okay, SKS, that's okay.
But no
SKS
4x scope, nothing.
Okay, that's what. If there is any big scope and gone, headshot will give you. They don't make footsteps. Right? He'll know you. Like, where are you?
What is that sound?
Black zone.
He has to be here, otherwise.
He'll come up. Wait. He's taking turn, I guess. Like he's coming overall turn. He's taking and coming up. He can't come simply, no.
Paapam re. Say, just want to say. Say, he is not. Oh, we won. Yes. First second. Oh.
Are 11 kills, stop.
Yes.
Super.
गुरुजी का आशीर्वाद आ गया.
Oh. Very clear,
I don't know. I think he was doing heal battle.
Heal battle. Inside a big zone, he's doing heal battle. This is my first chicken dinner, I guess.
We took Ashirwad from Guruji.
Ashirwad from Guruji. Nice, Re.
Okay.
2:30.